Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. Accountancy part for the first year's English medium. The chapter that we are dealing with, that is the rectification of errors. So here we have a problem. In order to rectify it, so there are number of mistakes in this problem. We have to correct those mistakes by rectifying those all the transactions, right? So let us start the rectification from the first entry. So furniture purchased rupees 10,000 rupees. What will be the general entry for that? Furniture account data to cash account. This is the original entry, but they have written, they debited the purchase account. It means they have written it as purchase account data to cash account. Means those is a wrong entry, right? Yes. So they have debited the purchase. Now we are going to credit the purchase. So now we will write this entry as furniture account debtor. Furniture account debtor to purchase account. To purchase account. Why I am writing purchase in credit means they have debited. So I am crediting that amount. That is 10,000 rupees. Yes. Now it's right. So write down the narration. Been furniture purchase. Been furniture purchase. Been furniture purchase. Wrongly debited. Wrongly debited. Wrongly debited to purchase account. Wrongly debited to purchase account. Is rectified. So this is the narration of the entry. Yes, they are debited. We are doing it as a credit. Now it is equal. Now see the next entry. Missionary purchase on credit from Ramana. So what will be the original entry? Missionary purchase from Ramana. So missionary account data to Ramana account. This is the original entry. But they are recorded in purchase book. Same. They have debited the purchase book. So we have to write it as a missionary account debtor. Okay. Missionary account debtor to purchase account. Missionary account debtor to purchase account. They recorded in purchase book now. So we will write to purchase account. We are crediting the purchase book. So what is the amount? 10,000 rupees. Again we have 10,000 rupees here. So now write the narration. Been missionary purchase on credit. Been missionary purchase on credit. Purchased on credit. Wrongly passed in purchase book is rectified. Passed in purchase book is rectified. We are rectified those error. Okay, this is also completed. Now see, repair on missionary 1400. Okay, debited to missionary account. They are debited the missionary account. So what will be the original entry? What will be the repair on missionary means what will be the entry? Repair is an expenses, right? So repairs account data to cash account is the original entry, but they have written as missionary account data to cash account. So that is the wrong entry. They have debited the missionary. So now I am going to credit the missionary. Same how we done for the purchase, in the same way I am going to do now. So repairs account debtor. Repairs account debtor to missionary account. To missionary account. So what is the amount, ma? 1400 rupees. 1400 rupees. So narration. Been repair missionary. Repair missionary wrongly passed in missionary account. Wrongly passed in missionary account. In missionary account wrongly passed in missionary account is rectified. So this is the entry for the C. Okay, now let us see the third D. Repair on second hand missionary purchase. So whatever it may be, but they are purchasing the missionary. What is the repair missionary? It may be a second hand missionary, whatever it may be, but they are purchasing the missionary. That's the matter here. So what will be the entry? Missionary account data to purchase to cash account. This will be the entry, but they have debited the repairs account. Means in their point of view, they have written like this: repairs account data to cash account. Means they have written the wrong entry. Now we have to correct it by crediting the repairs account. Okay. So see here, missionary account data, missionary account data, missionary account data to repairs account, to repairs account. So write the narration. Been missionary purchase, missionary purchased, been missionary purchased, wrongly debited, wrongly debited, wrongly debited to, wrongly debited to which account ma? Repairs account. Repairs account is rectified, is rectified, means we done the correction for that. What will be the amount here? 2000 rupees, and this is 2000 rupees. Debit equals to credit always. Next, E. Sale of old missionary at the book value. Whatever it may be, they are solding that missionary. Then what will be the entry? Cash account data to missionary account. But they credited the sales. They did not credited the missionary. They credited the sale. Okay. So if they are doing it as a credit sales, if they are doing crediting the sales, then we will do the debit the sale. Okay. So sales account debtor, sales account debtor to missionary account, to missionary account. So what is the amount here? 3000 rupees and 3000 rupees. Now write the narration. Been missionary, been missionary sold, wrongly debited, wrongly credited to which account? Sales account. Wrongly credited to sales account. So this is the rectification, that is wrongly credited to sales account. So this is the problem. Yes. So this is the problem for second problem in the test book. Okay. So let us see the third problem now. So this is the third problem now. So let us see. Missionary purchase rupees 5000 debited purchase account. So missionary purchase, what will be the entry? Missionary account data to cash account, but they have written as a wrong entry. Original entry is missionary account data to cash account, but they have written it as a purchase account data to cash account. Come on, let's rectify it by writing missionary account data, missionary account data to purchase account, to purchase account. Write the narration. Been missionary purchase, been missionary purchase, wrongly debited, wrongly debited to purchase account. Purchase account is rectified, is rectified. Yes, completed. Next, B. What's the B entry? 700 paid to Ruchira as legal charges debited to his personal account. So what will be the entry? Legal charges means expenses. all expenses, losses, debit. So legal charges, legal account data, legal charges account data to cash account, but they have debited to personal account, means they have debited the Ruchira account. So now we will credit those account by writing the entry like this. Legal charges account debtor, legal charges account debtor to Ruchira account, to Ruchira account. Okay, so write the entry been legal charges paid, wrongly debited, wrongly, what they have done, debited, wrongly debited to personal account, to personal account, is rectified, is rectified. So this is completed now. Now see the C. 1,000 rupees paid to Ice Coat Company for missionary purchase. So what will be the original entry? Missionary account data to cash account, but they have debited the Ice Coat Company. Now we are going to credit it by writing the rectification, that is missionary account debtor. Okay, missionary account debtor to Ice Coat Company account, to Ice Coats Company account. Right? So write the narration. So I forgot to write the amounts. Sorry. So first one, that is 5,000 rupees debit and 5,000 rupees credit. Second one is 700 rupees. In the 700 and 700 in the next entry. So the third entry we have 10,000 rupees. So write on debit side 10,000 rupees and on the credit side 10,000 rupees. Yes, been missionary purchase, missionary purchase, wrongly debited, wrongly debited to Ice Coat Company, Ice Coat Company account, is rectified, means we done the correction for the wrong entry. So up to D we have completed. Now C we have completed. Now D. See the entry. Typewriter purchase. What will be the entry? Typewriter account to data to cash account. This is the original entry. But they wrongly passed to the purchase book. Means they have written like this. Purchase account to data to cash account. Means they debited the purchase. Now I am going to credit it. Okay. By rectifying. Typewriter. Okay. Typewriter account to data. Account to data to typewriter account data to purchase account. To purchase account. What is the amount, ma? That is 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees, 6,000 rupees on the both the sides. So write on the narration. Been typewriter purchase, typewriter purchase, wrongly debited, wrongly debited to purchase book. Yes, purchase book means PB. PB is rectified. Is rectified. Is rectified. Yes, this is completed. Now E. Let us see E. 20,000 rupees paid for the purchase of motorcycle for the proprietor. So proprietor, they have purchased the motorcycle for proprietor, means drawings account data to cash account, but they have charged it to the general expenses, means they have written it as general expenses account data to cash account, but actually what is the entry? Drawings account data to cash account. So now we will do the rectification by crediting the general expenses. Okay, we will credit the general expenses. Yes, so write down the entry, that is drawings account data, drawings account debtor 2, drawings account debtor 2, general expenses account. General expenses account. What's the amount? 20,000 rupees on the both the columns. Okay. Debit column should be always equal to credit column. Write the narration. Been purchase of motorcycle. Been purchase of motor cycle for proprietor. For proprietor. Who is the proprietor, ma'am? Proprietor will be the owner of the business, right? Proprietor wrongly charged to general expenses account. General expenses account is rectified. This is completed. Okay. Now let us see the F entry. 15,000 rupees paid for the purchase of gas engine. Then what will be the original entry? Gas engine account debtor to cash account. But they debited the purchase account. Then what we have to do? They debited means we have to do it as a credit. So F, that is gas engine. Gas engine account debtor. Gas engine account debtor to purchase account. Purchase account. How much is the amount, ma? 15,000 rupees. 15,000 rupees and this is 15,000 rupees. Now write the narration. Been gas engine purchased. Gas engine purchased. Been gas engine purchased. Wrongly debited. Wrongly debited to purchase account. To purchase account. Wrongly debited to purchase account is rectified. What is they doing? They are rectifying it. Yes. Next, G. What is the G entry? Cash paid to Sarita. What is paying? Cash paying to Sarita. How much it is? 400 rupees. So what will be the entry? Sarita account to debtor to cash account was debited to Amanya account. Was debited to Amanya account. So we will write what they have written means Amanya account debtor to cash account they have written. So that's why they debited the Amanya account. So now we will do it credit by writing Sarita account to debtor. Sarita account to debtor to Amanya account. To Amanya account. How much is the amount? 400 rupees. This is 400 and this is 400. Write the narration. Been cash paid. Cash paid to Sarita. Cash paid to Sarita. Wrongly debited to. Wrongly debited to Amanya account is rectified. Amanya account is rectified. Okay, it is rectified. So up to here the transactions are completed. Now the third problem is completed. Okay, so now let us go for the fourth problem.